And once again, welcome back to Dobbo's Fishing Adventures. Usual place, usual target. Let's see what happens. I have to say, yeah, a bit snotty tonight. Beat me way down here. It's not every day you got to wipe your brow when you get here, but yeah, a tad spray coming off the front quarter. But anyway, I'm here. Tickety boo. Cruise ship going out. It's certainly blowy. They're giving quite a bit of wind tonight. 28 mile an hour winds tonight, gusting. So yeah, going to be on the move a bit tonight, I suppose. Here, there and everywhere. Not fishing wise, just being spun around, I expect. But it's got to be done, isn't it? So I'm quite sheltered. It's not too bad. It was just getting down here that was a bit snotty on the beam, but all good. All tickety boo. Got some cracking worms again from Bill's Bait and Tackle. Absolutely stunning today, so that's good. Usual tactics. So I've got a nice flowing trace, and I've obviously got the leaded booms, 3-hook leaded booms on the other rod, so I'll put that out a bit later. I'll stick with the run rod to start with and see what happens. Also this week the weather's looking quite good, so I think me and a couple of mates from work we're thinking about doing Town Key one evening this week, so hopefully then I can try that Siegler SM Star Drag out and see how that goes. But yeah, so there's a bit of wind over the weekend. It is what it is. You know, I didn't have to come down here and beat me way down here, but I could have gone to my other mark. But I thought, sod it, let's give it a go down here again and see what occurs. Bit overcast, not giving any rain. I think the rain we had was sort of like around midday-ish, little bit of light drizzle. They're not forecasting it this evening. It does look as though it could piss down at any time, but I don't think it's going to, so fingers crossed it doesn't. There's nothing worse than wind and rain. You can cope with one or the other, but not both together. Been there and done it hundreds of times. Right, first rod's out. Let's see what happens and see what's going to be the first on the scoreboard. Tickety boo. Well, you're going to have to excuse the wind through the GoPro. Just had a couple of little nibbles, but something there. Oh yeah, go on then. That certainly is howling. First fish, what we got? Oh, well, we won't be able to hear me. What we got? Bass. Ah, a little smooth out. Well, the main thing is I haven't blanked. Perfect in miniature. Beautiful. Happy days. That's good. First fish, little baby Smuts. God, let's get out of that wind. As I say, that wind is a pain, but there you go. It is what it is. Right, let's get it back down there. Happy days. Well, no sooner as I got another one in, this one's sold. things. Not too many like that. These little things you're just wasting paint. So you don't want them. These little things are a pain in the ass. Good to see, but a pain in the ass. Happy days. Right, let's get back down there. So I have to say, I can't really see the bites, but just pick it up occasionally. There's certainly quite a few fish there going now. Something there, another bass. Yeah, it's very hard to make out any bites tonight in this wind, but there's certainly a few fish here tonight. But what we got? We should be led up the leader. Hope it ain't going to be a bass tonight. A bit of weed on. Plenty of little schoolies, not good. Don't want these. Go away. Go on. Right, let's get back down there. Just we'll have another bait check on this one. Might be, yeah, something on there, I think. Dead before it's even come in. Let's have a closer look. Look at that. That's dead. And that's strange. That is very, very strange. I've seen that before. What's happened to that then? Keep that one then. Some people who like Blackbream. Look out, come on. There we go. Use your finger as a disgorger. Always works. Look at that. That is completely dead. What is that all about? Oh well. Still, it's sizable. It's certainly been feeding this morning during the day. Look at that. Happy days. Let's have another bait check. A couple of little nibbles going on. Very hard to see bites in this wind. No. Doesn't feel like anything. Nah, nothing on there. No, bait's gone though. Right, let's get it back down there. There's something on here. Bit of weight. Oh yeah, I feel it. As I say, it's hard to see the bites in this wind. It really is. So I am literally just going on bait checks. Bit of weight on this. Oh yeah. There's a leader. What have we got? Seems to be couple of nice bites on this one. I think probably only a bass, but go quite well. I think I've missed it. That was really good bites then. Yeah, missed it. Bugger. Couple of another bites on this one. I think I've got it this time. I was going quite well, probably only a bass, but something there. And again. Bream, but bass, nah. There's quite a few fish this evening. That's why I'm going to change. So let the sun come about soon. Nah, nothing. Lovely little bream. Happy days. Well, that wind's eased just a fraction. Not that they're giving it much. They are giving it getting up later on tonight, but just a bit up and down at the moment, but I'm still getting plenty of bites. Fish on. Something's on anyway. There we go. Bass. Yeah, well, I'm getting lots of bites at the moment. Quite a few fish. Not what I'm after yet, but still early yet. There's some bass all over the place. It's not staying deep or anything. Over there, what we've got bass. Another bream. Bream and a bass. Oh, that's a nice bream, to be fair. That ain't a bad bream. Oh, the bass is just let go. There he is. Happy days. Nice. Nicely hooked as well. Come on. Just caught in the scissors there. There we go. Nice. Off he goes. I'm still using the old Sakuma 20-pound fluorocarbon as hook links. No point in changing when it does work really well, and it's quite, as I say, quite abrasion resistant, so that's good. I'm still using the Sakuma sized bores. That's basically my 2-hook flowing trace. Put that tail on a bit more. No point in giving them too much freebies. Oh, it's just starting to pick up now, starting to run a bit. So this wind won't allow me to go around in the tide in the slightest. So it's going to be one of those evenings where I'm just going to fish beam on into the tide. nick to it as well. Nope. A little bit of weed, but not enough to worry about. Happy days. Right, let's get it baited up and get it out there again. Just had a good bite on this one. You. I'm still getting plenty of bites. I've had a few more bass, another couple of little smuts, but still not what I'm after yet. But I'd like to think very soon something's going to happen, but something on here, but I don't know. You just want that feeling of when it stays deep and stuff like that. No, you see, getting a few of these little buggers coming through. Still, it's good to see for the future. Funny little things, aren't they? Look, beautiful. Hee. Cool. Right, let's get that one back down. Just have a check on this one now. Bit of weight there, can't feel too much. Probably a bit of weed. Weed it is. Right, let's get it back down. Come on, soul, where are you? Oh, another bait check. Oh, I don't know where these sold are. Going through at the moment, but not horrendous, but still a bit of a pain. See what I mean? Right, that's off. Get it back down. This is what we got. A little strap. There we go. Another species, I suppose. Not that I really want the strap. I'll get my T-bar for that. I think it's swallowed it a bit, but yeah, a bit slow. Plenty of fish, but no sole yet. So fingers crossed. Let's get it back out there. Well, no sole yet, just in the darkness now. It's gone very, very quiet. Not even getting a touch now, bait's coming in untouched, so that's a bit grim. That doesn't bode well at all. I've still got quite a bit of worm left. I've even got me HTO Labrax Special N70 on the rig as well. So that's 3 rods I've got out now. Just trying to winkle that one sole. Yeah, very strange. As I say, the bites have just completely died off now. So I am struggling. I'm bang on the spot, but if they ain't here, but perseverance, you never know. But as I say, I've still got some worm left. It's just gone 10 o'clock. So it's, yeah, anything up till midnight really. the sole are generally active till, so fingers crossed, another couple of hours, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, grim. I had a lot of fish tonight, to be fair, you know, evening and that, late afternoon, evening, yeah, lots of bits and pieces, the usual shite fish, but generally sort of like, I don't know, latest is 8 o'clock when you get the first one, and then generally, you know, 1 or 2, but no, dead, absolutely dire. Well, I'm not sure what to do. I think it's really happening at all. Just a switch, just gone, just like that. Very strange, so I haven't re-dropped them, I'm just gonna... One more cast. Or do I move? No, one more cast. Let's do this, come on, we can do it. Well, welcome back, that's me done. So, I think that's the first sole trip in 7 so far this season where I've blanked. So, target was not achieved. Very strange. Everything was good, to be fair. Tides weren't bad, conditions, yeah, it was windy, but that doesn't affect them. Yeah, very strange. It's just coming up with 1 AM, so you can see I put the effort in then. Normally I would have packed up before then, even after I've had, you know, 1 or 2. So, yeah, very hard going tonight. Lots of other bits and pieces, bass. I had a silver eel in the end, I had that scrap eel, plenty of bream, small little tiny. Yeah. No sole. It is what it is. Yeah, very strange, but it is what it is. You've got to crack on, persevere, don't let one trick knock you. I used most of the worm up, so can't say I didn't put the effort in. Regular bait checks and refresh, but he just weren't to be. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. As I say, no soul, but it is what it is. Thank you for all your support, and if you can hit the like, hit the subscribe and share away, that would be fantastic. Until next time, well, maybe Town Key one evening this week, we'll see. But yeah, until next time, that is me out. Toodaloo.